This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase video evidence in Hitman. Understanding how to manage surveillance is crucial for any successful mission. Video evidence captures your illicit activities, and if not dealt with, can lead to guards becoming instantly suspicious of your presence. We'll cover the two main approaches: physically disabling cameras and deleting the recordings from a central security system. One of the most effective ways to erase evidence is by accessing a security room. These rooms typically house a central recording console. You'll need to find and neutralize any guards present, then interact with the console to delete all recorded footage. This single action can clear all evidence of your actions across the entire map, making it a highly efficient strategy for a clean getaway. Another direct approach is to simply destroy the cameras themselves. Look for the small, red-lit cameras mounted on walls or ceilings. A single shot from a silenced pistol will disable them. While effective for preventing future recordings in that immediate vicinity, remember this doesn't erase past footage. Also, ensure no one hears the shot, as it can draw unwanted attention from guards patrolling the area. For truly masterful evidence erasure, consider combining these techniques. Destroying a few key cameras can make your path to the security room safer. Always prioritize erasing evidence early in your mission, especially after committing a major illegal act. Use distractions to your advantage, luring guards away from consoles. Remember to check your minimap for camera cones of vision to plan your movements and ensure a completely clean operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.